How to use Expedia plugin for ChatGPT. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pugin, and today I'll guide you and explain you how you can use the Expedia plugin for ChatGPT. Now, if you try to do so on your phone, you won't be able to do so. You'll have to do it on your PC. So all you have to do is you can head into your PC and head into ChatGPT 4. Now, once here, what you can do is if you're on the PC and if you are the beta user, however, now this feature is not rolled out for everybody. So if you don't see this option, then you might just wait, or you might try enabling beta if you're not a beta user. So what you want to do is, once you want to head into a new chat, right, then you want to tap on the arrow icon, the ChatGPT 4. You can see at the top, you want to tap on it, and with ChatGPT plus ChatGPT, you can see temporary chat option. There down below, you'll get the plugins option as well. So you can tap on enable plugin and then tap on install a plugin, and it'll take you to the plugin store where you can search in for Expedia plugin and install it. Now this is for your PC, however, on your browser, on your desktop, you won't be able to do so on your phone. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.